Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an unboxing for the diamond painting kit. But before we get into that, everyone, if you want to learn how to create amazing and elegant DIYs and produce stunning and fabulous revamps with all types of lifestyle and decor stuff, this definitely is the channel for you. So please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also double tap your notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I do upload a video. All right, everyone, let's get started. I'm gonna make something great. Unboxing for the diamond painting kit, and this actually is a sponsored video. The kit was sent to me by Victoriasmoon, and they are the largest supplier of the diamond painting kits. And they have more than 200 different collections with over 8,000 designs. And you can even customize your own diamond painting, which you can send a picture and custom work as well. They provide free shipping, free money back guarantee, and 90% of their viewers recommend buying and doing one of these diamond painting kits, you guys, with over 100,000 happy customer as of today. So you guys, that's about them, and that's Victoriasmoon. And again, we're definitely going to get into this unboxing. I have been anticipating, so anticipating the coming of this diamond painting kit. And one thing about shipping, once you do your order and go on their website, and once you do your order and your order is actually processed, your time to get your kit is normally 11 to 17 days. And that's again, if you're ordering like during a peak holiday time or their peak time, you just have to add 5 more days to that, you guys. All right, you guys, let's get into the unboxing of this kit, because I am so eager to see so I can get started. The kit, and it came in a package like this, and I have my sisters, and you guys, I'm gonna link all of their channel information, their website information down in my description box. I'm gonna run it somewhere across the screen as well, but we're just gonna open it, and we're gonna get inside. It's actually packaged very well. I've been patiently waiting on this kit to come, and they reached out to me to do the review on it, and I went on their website, and they have all types of paintings that you can choose from, and they also do custom paintings as well. So let me cut this, and the package says DIY 5D diamond painting, and it looks like this, you guys. I am so excited to get this done, and it says it's the shiny diamond accessory, the #1 non-ironing. And in the kit, they'll send you the painting, and it shows you the examples of how to actually do the painting, how to put it together. So let's cut this open, and let's get inside. And the painting that I ordered the peacock. Now for this, they give you all of the supplies you'll need, and it comes, there's the case with the pen to actually pick up the diamonds. Let's pull it out. You guys, let's just pull it out of the box. And everything is actually sticking on the inside with the different diamonds for the particular one I ordered. And you guys, here is, well, I don't think you're going to be able to see what I ordered without pulling the paper off. But the picture I ordered is a peacock. And you actually have to have you another piece of fabric board or board to put it on. But through here I can see the design of the peacock. And the picture comes on is this size. I'll hold it up to you guys. You have your white diamonds, your gray diamonds, your blue diamonds, your regular blue, your royal blue, a turquoise blue, a light blue. You have a green, and it's probably 20 different packs, and this is the separator in there as well. And this is your sequence, and it comes with the form here. And you'll see it says like number 1 style has 159 gems, well, of your stones, and for number 1 that goes on there. So it comes like that. Let me open this end off. And to you guys, once I actually put the picture together, I'm going to come back and do another review on it after the fact. But here's your kit, and with the kit, I do know you add your diamonds in here and you pick them up and you add them on the painting. Now for me to show you one portion of, and I ordered the peacock. For me to show you a portion of it, I'm going to have to begin to peel it off. And I'm going to just peel a little piece of it back for, well, where I need you to see what's on there. Kind of sort of, and I don't want to pull off no more than that, you guys. But in here, you have numbers all through there, you guys. Is that focus in good? And you see the numbers, and the diamonds in the pack fits each of the numbers. And as you can see coming down here, you have more color coming in, but that's into the peacock. But every little stitch in here has numbers. So we're gonna, let's close this back up. And I'm going to see if this actually is going to be a fairly easy process, or is it going to be a long, tedious process. And I think, because I was actually looking on their website, and the way they got the website set up, it shows us like it's really not a hard, complicated process. And grab my glasses here. Now, like this packet of bead is the number 19827, and it's that color. Well, on the painting you have the 19827s or the 19s on there that gets this color. So you just add your color in. But it has every color in there, you guys, and it is so much. And it seems like it may be a tedious process, but I don't think so. But I'm loving it, and I can't wait to get started. And again, you guys, I'm going to drop their website information down in my description box. The review of this video, and I'm going to actually do a video of once me starting the process of constructing the painting. Then I'm going to do an actual another review after, guys. And you know, I could not go without saying, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I will see you in another video. Bye, everyone. I'm gonna make something